Today we are going to make this vegetable spaghetti with chicken tenders. Look how colorful and beautiful it is. The taste is even better. Stay tuned, you're gonna love it. Here are the vegetables that I use for this spaghetti. You can use your own vegetables, but if you're using carrot and Brussels sprouts like me, you need to cook them for 5 minutes in water and then add it to this tray of vegetables because we're going to put all of these in the oven. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Here I'm adding soy sauce to this vegetable tray. But remember, because soy is kind of salty, you need to use less amount of salt compared to what you're used to. Now I'm adding oyster sauce. Please do not skip oyster or soy sauce. The combination of both gives your vegetables a fabulous flavor. And now I added a pinch of olive oil to the tray. Then we mix them all together so the whole vegetables are well coated with all of the sauce and the spices. And that goes into the oven for around 15 minutes. At the same time the vegetables are baking in the oven, let's prepare our chicken tenders. For the chicken tenders, we use the exact same spices and sauce that we use on our vegetables. Also add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix everything really well together and marinate it in refrigerator for about an hour. And then we cover the chickens with the foil and cook it in the oven for about 30 minutes. This is how our vegetable looks like when they're cooked after 15 minutes in the oven. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my god, I wish you could taste it or smell it now. It's amazing. Let's now cook our spaghetti while the chicken is cooking in the oven. Bring water to boil on medium heat, add a pinch of salt, and add your spaghetti to the pot. A little bit of soy sauce. You don't need too much, a little bit goes a long way. This not only is for the taste, but also it gives your spaghetti a beautiful color. Look how beautiful it is. And this is when your spaghetti is cooked enough and you can rinse it in cold water. Of oil to the pot, not too much, a little bit is enough because all the other ingredients have enough olive oil. So to stay healthier, a little bit of oil is enough. Add the cooked spaghetti to the pot as well as other ingredients, the chicken tenders, the greens, the vegetables to the pot. Give them a toss and mix them really well together so the whole taste kind of dissolves. There you go, our meal is ready. Oh my gosh, it's fabulous. You guys, you need to give it a shot, and please like and subscribe if you like my video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye guys!